CSMA, this is a big category. Its variations are commonly used in Ethernet or wireless Ethernet. So this is a popular random access MAC. The principle is this. Before sending, listen to the channel first. So the idea is a little bit like in human conversations. If someone else is speaking already, then we don't interrupt the speakers. So you sense the channel. If it's idle, then transmit the frame. Otherwise, defer transmitting the frame. Even though the nodes on the CSMA channel will try to be polite, listen before sending, collisions can still occur. It's because of this. There's a certain delay propagating the signals. So if you have two nodes somewhat far apart about to send data at the same time, at the moment they're sending, they might not hear each other's transmission. So let me use this example on the right to explain. So this is a CSMA channel, and we have 4 nodes. At time 0, node number 2 here, listen, and the channel is idle, therefore start sending. At time t1, node 4 wants to send. And at this particular time point, node 4 finds the channel also idle because the signal from node 2 arrives only at this point on the channel. So node 4 says idle and begins sending its frame. So the yellow frame and the red frame will eventually collide, and hey, the entire packet transmission time, here, will be wasted. And you see also that the probability of packets colliding on a CSMA channel depends on the distance of the nodes on the channel, as well as the propagation delay. The slower, the higher chance. CSMA CD is a variation of CSMA, so it does also have the carrier sensing modality. The focus of this mechanism is this: collision detection. It will try to detect collision as fast as possible, and upon detection, abort the transmission as fast as possible, therefore reducing the channel wastage. Now, how does one detect collision? On a wired LAN, all you need to do is to measure the signal strength of the transmitted packet as well as the received packet. Okay. Usually by the signal strength differences, you'll be able to tell whether there's a collision occurring. But on a wireless LAN, very often that the local transmission will overwhelm the received signal strength. So it would appear that there's no collision at all, because signals travel through the airspace, it decays really fast, much faster than the signal traveling on copper wire or optic fiber. Alright, so CSMA CD, if we use human conversation as analogy, it will be a super polite conversation, where in case 2 of you are speaking at the same time, you guys will quickly back down and then invite each other to speak first.